I haven't made this soap in a very long time. This is going to be a sea salt soap, and this recipe is based on one in Jan Berry's Simple and Natural Soap Making book. And I started making soap in 2016, and this book came out in 2017. This was the first book that I bought, and it's a great book. Jan has a lot of great information on her blog. She has social media. She's the nerdy farm wife. Anyway, so definitely recommend checking her out and getting this book if you haven't. It also has a really great selection of natural colors in the back. She's got examples. So if you're looking for a great resource for natural soaps, and this would be natural soaps that's only plant-based and only essential oils, this would be a great one to get. And like I said, it has that little photo collage, I guess you could say, in the back that has all of these photos of different samples of natural colorants and how to use them, like if you use them in lye solution, added the oils, added trace, just in different amounts. So anyway, great book. So this recipe is based on that. I have made some tweaks along the way, but I'm going to be doing 2 batches actually, because it can move fairly quickly, and I just decided to go ahead and separate out. So it'll be the exact same ingredients and everything like that. It is a very high coconut oil soap, because coconut oil in high amounts is the only thing that will still lather with sea salt. And then when you have a really high coconut oil soap, you need to up the superfat quite a bit to counteract that cleansing, because if you have too low of a superfat, it's going to be very stripping and very drying on the skin. So my typical recipe, I use about 5 to 7% superfat, and this one is a 20% superfat. So you need to have that really high superfat to, again, counteract the cleansing, but you need the high coconut so it'll actually lather with the sea salt. And I'm going to be using I have to get another one. That's why I'm making it 2 as well. So it will be a lot of, you can almost double the amount of coconut oil in your sea salt. So this whole container of sea salt will be going into that batch. And the clay I'm going to be using is European clay powder. I actually like this kind to use on my face as a clay mask as well, but I'm going to be using that. I haven't totally heated up these oils yet, but I did go ahead and put the clay in there. And then the essential oil blend I'm going to be doing is I have Peppermint from Brambleberry, a little bit of Spearmint, again from Brambleberry, and then a little bit of Eucalyptus essential oil from Essential Depot. In the past, I just had done straight up Peppermint, but I wanted to add a little bit more depth, I guess, a little bit more complexity, and I love this combination of Peppermint, Spearmint, and Eucalyptus. So I just made my lye solution. I'm gonna heat these up to get everything nice and melted. It's warm today, and this is actually the melted coconut oil, so I'm not gonna have to heat this up very much. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting ready, and we'll come back when it's time to make the soap.